In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Trello username step by step. If you've recently rebranded, want a more professional handle, or just need to correct your current username, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. The best part is, it only takes a couple of minutes to complete. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything important. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Trello tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Trello in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on your Trello dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or avatar there. Click on your profile picture to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to your personal settings, account details, and visibility options. After clicking your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Profile and Visibility. This is where Trello stores your public profile information, including your username, bio, and other account details that people can see. Once you're inside the Profile and Visibility section, you'll be taken to your Profile Settings page. Here, you'll see your current username displayed. Your username is important because it's part of your Trello profile link, and it's how other users can search for and mention you within Trello. Now, locate your current username field. Click inside the username box, delete your existing username if needed, and type in your new desired username. Keep in mind that Trello usernames must be unique, so if the name you choose is already taken, you'll need to try a variation until you find one that's available. Try to choose something professional, easy to remember, and consistent with your brand if you're using Trello for business. After entering your new username, double-check it for spelling errors. Remember, this will be part of your profile URL, so you want to make sure it looks clean and correct. Once you're happy with your new username, scroll if necessary and click on the Save button. This step is very important. If you don't click Save, your changes won't be applied. As soon as you click Save, Trello will update your account with the new username. If the username is available and accepted, your profile will refresh and your updated username will now be visible. That's it, your Trello username has officially been changed. To confirm everything worked correctly, you can refresh the page or visit your Trello profile directly. You should now see your new username displayed, and your profile link will also reflect this change. And that's how you change your Trello username quickly and easily. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few clicks inside your profile settings. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.